Hello and welcome. This video is a gentle reintroduction to this space, especially for those who are new here. This channel centers around nature and macro photography, quiet moments, and creative inspiration that invites slowing down and noticing the small things around you. Noticing the beauty that already exists in nature. If nature, creativity, and intentional living resonate, this space was created with that in mind. Photography in this space is less about perfection and more about presence. It began as a way to slow down and pay attention to the small details, colors, light, and moments that often go unnoticed in everyday life. Over time, photography became less about capturing something impressive and more about observing what's already there. Reveal how much beauty exists even in the smallest details that are easy to miss when everything feels rushed. Nature and macro photography encourages a different way of seeing. Focusing on small details, moss, patterns, and light naturally shifts attention to the present moment. That awareness doesn't stop when the camera goes away. It carries into daily life, turning ordinary walks and quiet moments into opportunities to look for beauty. Turns it into opportunities for noticing beauty. This way of seeing is grounding, calming, and deeply connected. That feeling is at the heart of everything shared here. This channel offers a mix of content, all rooted in intention and creativity. Here you'll find nature and macro photography, photo tips and creative inspiration, quiet reflections on moments, thoughts about slowing down and creating with intention. This is not a fast-paced, overly high-pressure space. It's a moment to feel calm, welcoming, and thoughtful. Place to pause, even if only for a few moments. Recurring theme here is creating with soul. That means creating without rushing expectations, without forcing outcomes, without striving for perfection. It's all about listening inward, for allowing creativity to unfold gently and trusting the process instead of trusting the algorithm. Whether through photography, video, or quiet reflection, this space honors creativity that feels meaningful and grounded. Going forward, this channel will continue to share nature and macro photography, photo tips, and creative inspiration. Gentle reminders to slow down and notice the beauty around us. Everything shared here is guided by curiosity, intention, and a deep appreciation for small moments, just like this one. Thank you for spending this time here. For anyone new here, feel free to explore and see what resonates. For those who've been here for a while, thank you for being a part of this space. This channel exists as a quiet place to return to again and again. If this space feels meaningful, consider subscribing so that these quiet moments and nature inspirations can continue